Hello guys, welcome to Quiz and Quotes, and here we are discussing the part 7 of accounting MCQs. And as we know, these are much important for your exam. Let us take it very carefully and seriously so that we can get the excellence in the examinations. Right, guys? So now let's move to the question. The first question is: Bill of exchange has parties. How many parties are there in a bill of exchange? How many parties are there in the bill of exchange? Option A 6, option B 2, option C 3, option D 4. Think how many parties? 6, 2, 3, 4. Right answer is 3. The three parties, right? The drawer, drawee, and the pay. Next question. The party which is ordered to pay the amount of bill of exchange is called. The party which is ordered to pay the amount of bill of exchange is called A. Drawer, B. Pay, C. Drawer, D. None of these. I repeat. The party which is ordered to pay the amount of bill of exchange is called A. Drawee, B. Pay, C. Drawer, D. None of these. And the right answer is drawee. The party which is ordered to pay the amount of bill of exchange is called drawee. Next question. The party which is entitled to receive the payment of bill of exchange is known as. The party which is entitled to receive the payment of bill of exchange is called A. Drawer, B. Pay, C. Drawee, D. None of this. Who receives the payment of bill of exchange? Think A. Drawer, B. Pay, C. Drawee, D. None of this. And the answer is Pay. Next. Due date of bill of exchange drawn on 30th January 2011 for 1 month will be. What will be the due date of bill of exchange if the bill is drawn on 30th January 2011 for the period of 1 month? A. 5th March, B. 3rd March, C. 29th Feb, and D. 4th March. And the answer is 3rd March. I think it will be 3 months, not 1 month. The question is written wrong. It is a period of 3 months, not 1 month. So due date is 3 month. The 3rd March. The promissory note should be signed by. Who signed the promissory note? A. Payee, B. Drawer, C. Drawee, D. Promisor. The promissory note should be signed by whom? Payee, Drawee, Drawer, Promisor. What is the right answer? The promissory note should be signed by the promisor. Right? Next question. On dishonor of a discounted bill, who does the bank look for payment? On dishonor of a discounted bill, who does the bank look for payment? बैंक किससे पैसे लेगा? A. Drawer, B. Payee, C. Endorser, D. None. On dishonor of a discounted bill, who does the bank look for payment? A. Drawer, B. Payee, C. Endorser, D. None. The bank will take money from the drawer, right? Next question. While calculating the due date of the bill, how many days are added to the period of the bill? While discounting the due date of the bill, how many days are added to the period of bill? Option A 4 days, option B 3 days, option C 5 days, option D neither of these. I repeat the question. While calculating the due date of a bill, how many days are added to the period of the bill? 4 days, 3 days, 5 days, none of this. The answer is 3 days, the grace period. Right? Next question. Encashing the bill before the due date of maturity is called. If you want to encash the bill before the due date, what does it call? Option A, dishonor of bill. Option B, retirement of bill. Option C, discounting of bill. Option D, endorsement of bill. What should you call if the bill got discounted before the maturity period. Dishonor of bill, retirement of bill, discounting of bill, endorsement of bill. And the right answer is discounting of bill. Normally discount the bill before its due date with the banks or any other financial institution. Next question. A bill of exchange renewed generally at the request of a bill of exchange renewed generally at the request of A. Drawer, B. Bank, C. Drawer, D. None of these. I repeat the question. A bill of exchange renewed generally at the request of A. Drawer, B. Bank, C. Drawer, D. None. And the answer is drawing. Next question. A bill of exchange cannot be A. Endorsed, B. Accepted, C. Refused, D. Crossed. The question. A bill of exchange cannot be A. Endorsed, B. Accepted, C. Refused, D. Crossed. Think what should be the answer? And the right answer is refused. A bill of exchange cannot be refused. Once agreement done, that means done. Next question. Trading account discloses. What is the outcome of the trading account? A. Gross profit. B. Net profit. C. Net loss. D. Gross profit or gross loss. What is the outcome of trading account? Is it net profit, gross profit, net loss, gross profit or gross loss? And the answer is D. Either gross profit or gross loss. Next question. Direct expenses are entered in. Direct expenses are entered in which account? A. Trading account. B. Profit and loss account. B. C. Balance sheet. D. None of this. Simple. Direct expenses are entered in which book? A. Trading account. B. Profit and loss account. C. Balance sheet. D. None of this. And the right answer is trading account. Simple. Let's go fast. Profit and loss account discloses. What is disclosed by profit and loss account? A. Gross profit. B. Gross profit or gross loss. C. Gross profit or gross loss. D. None of this. The answer is no. It should be net profit or net loss. Profit and loss account discloses net profit and net loss. Next question. Goodwill. What kind of asset goodwill is? A. Fixed asset. B. Current asset. C. Fictitious asset. D. None of this. What kind of asset is goodwill? A. Fixed asset. B. Current asset. C. Fictitious asset. D. None of this. Quickly. What kind of asset the goodwill is? It is a fixed asset. True? Let's go ahead. Drawing is deducted from. If the proprietor draws something, it's deducted from which account? Sales. B. Purchase. C. Return outward. D. Capital. Where from you deduct the drawing? Sales, purchase, return outward, capital. What is the correct answer? And the correct answer is purchase. Please remember, this is important adjustment. Next question. Outstanding expenses are related to. Outstanding expenses are related to which year? Current year, next year, last year, none of this. Outstanding expenses are related to which year? Current year, next year, last year, none of these. Current year. The outstanding expenses are related to the current year, not next year or last year. Now go to the next question. Prepaid expenses are shown in. Where do you show the prepaid expenses? Option A, liability side. Option B, asset side. Option C, asset or liability side both. D, none of these. Where do you show the prepaid expenses? Let me repeat the question again for your interest. Think quickly. Prepaid expenses are shown in which account? A, liability side. B, asset side. C, asset or liability side. D, none of this. And the right answer is asset side. Why? Because it is expenses you have done and the benefit of which you can get over number of years, so it is your asset. Next question, charity of goods is what kind of this transaction? Charity of goods, is it expenses, B loss, C profit, none of these? What is this charity of goods? Is it expense or loss? It can't be a profit. None of this is okay, nothing. Answer is loss. Next question, if a person fails to pay his debt, such amount is considered as. If a person fails to pay his debt, such amount is considered as A. Bad debts, B. Bad debts recovered, C. Provision for bad debts, D. None of this. If a person fails to pay his debt, such amount is considered as what? A. Bad debts, B. Bad debt recovered, C. Provision for bad debt, D. None of this. And the answer is bad debts. Now let's go to the next question. The object of non-trading concern. The objective of non-trading concern, what is that? A. Social service, B. Profit earning, C. Both of these, D. None of the above. What is the objective of non-trading concerns? Is it a social service, B. Profit earning, C. Both of these, D. None of the above? The right answer is social service. It is not a profit earning organizations. Right? Let's go to the next question. Sit. Fine. We have covered sufficient questions. I believe 2022 questions in this series. Now at this time, please go to the description box. You will find an amazing gift for you for your lifetime career. Good for learning, good for earning. You can earn a good amount of money. Explore it. Check whether this opportunity is feasible for you or not. But before deciding, explore it well. If any question, you can directly email me. You can directly, WhatsApp over phone, WhatsApp me. I'll definitely give you answer and try to help as much as possible. Now to help the other people, share these MCQs to other students who are preparing for the examinations, your friends, your family members, so that they can derive the benefit of this and grow and successful in the examinations. Thank you guys. Many thanks. Wish you all the best. Best of luck. Thank you.